Hey everyone, it's Jamie. Welcome back. So today's haul is a Dollar Tree haul, and everything that I found is brand new, at least brand new to my store and to me. So I'm going to go ahead and get started and show you guys what I found. So the first thing that I found is this, and I was super excited when I found it. Okay, so this is an infinity wreath form. And this thing is massive. It's so big. But I have seen other people haul these, and this has been months ago when I saw them hauling them, and my Dollar Trees never got them in. And but now they do. Now they have them. So I was really excited. So I only grabbed two of them. But and the only reason why I grabbed two is because I don't really know what I'm going to do with them, just because they are so big. I don't think that I'm going to be adding deco mesh to them, because if you add deco mesh to these, I'm afraid it's going to make them really, really big. I mean, even bigger than they are now. And also, I don't want to lose the infinity shape that they are. So I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with these, but I'm going to do something. I've got lots of ideas running through my head, so make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. That way, if I do something with these, I will film it and you guys can see what I do. So anyway, was excited to find those. Okay, so while I was down the floral aisle, which is where I found those, I was also needing some more sunflowers, because I've been doing a lot of DIYs here lately using sunflowers, so I was wanting some more. So I did find some more of the yellow sunflowers. Now they did have some that were in different colors, but I just wanted the yellow ones, so I went ahead and grabbed the yellow. And then I also noticed these. These are the Gerber daisies, and these are yellow. Now I have purchased some Gerber daisies from the Dollar Tree, and they were in different colors though, so I never saw the yellow one, so I went ahead and just grabbed a bunch of the yellow ones. So I grabbed one of those. Now I went to Walmart because I was planning on just getting my floral from Walmart, since it's only 97 cents, so I thought I'd save 3 cents. But while I was there and I was looking at their floral section, their sunflowers, the stems only had 3 flowers on the stem. And I thought, well, Dollar Tree, they have 5. There's 5 flowers on a stem, so I'll just go ahead and spend the extra 3 cents and get them from the Dollar Tree. And really, there's not much difference in these and the Walmart ones. I think the Walmart ones, though, the sunflowers were just a little bit bigger, but not that big of a deal. So I did go ahead and just grab one bunch of those. Okay, so this might be a little bit boring to some, but I needed another squeegee, so I went ahead and just grabbed another squeegee. This is the Scrub Buddies one, and I think they have one that's by Brillo that's red, but my Dollar Trees didn't have the red ones. But I love the squeegee. I had, my last one that I had, I just recently had to throw it away because the this rubber part right here broke. But I had it for years, and I got it because years ago when I got it, I had a couch that would collect dog hair, and now I have dogs. Well, I have one now because one of my other dogs passed away, but they shed, so I was always fighting trying to get their hair off the couch. So one day I went into Dollar Tree, I grabbed a squeegee, brought it home thinking I'm going to try it and see if it works, and it did. It worked really, really well. So that is a really good idea for someone if you are having problems like I did with dog hair, trying to get it off your couch, because I vacuumed and it still never seemed to work. But also, I use this to wash the inside of my windshield on my car. I don't know if you're like me, but trying to wash the windshield, the inside of your car is, I mean, I might as well be an acrobat or something doing trapeze tricks, because trying to get in there and get that clean, it could be very frustrating. So I found though that if you take a squeegee, you just spray your windshield down with your cleaner, and then you take a squeegee and just like swipe it across your windshield. And then I use a like a paper towel or something, and I just wipe the end of it off after each swipe. It really does clean your windshield really, really well. So anyway, thought I would go ahead and show this and share that little tip with you guys. But anyway, there's that. Okay, so I went to the book section, and my Dollar Tree's the book section has not been good at all. And I don't know. I don't know what it is. I see everyone else hauling all these really cool books, and my Dollar Tree's, the books just are not good. But at this one Dollar Tree that I went to, their book section, I think they just redid it or something. I don't know. It was full. It was nice and neat. You could see all the books that they had. Wasn't a big old giant mess, which is what most of them look like. But even though I didn't really find any books that I would be interested in, I did find a book that I think my dad is going to like. My dad likes to read Western books, kind of like, Cowboys and Indians, or back in the, Old West days. He likes to read books like that. He also, one of his favorite authors is Louis L'Amour. And so anyway, I found this book, and it's by Ralph Compton, and it's called The Green River Trail. And I seen this, and then at the very top up here, it says, lovers of Louis L'Amour type Westerns will welcome this series. So, I don't know, I guess they're kind of comparing it to Louis L'Amour. So, I thought I would get it. Maybe my dad will like it. I don't know. And if he don't, it's not that big of a deal. It was only $1. So, went ahead and grabbed that. Okay, so I went down the beauty section, and I came across this. Now, I don't normally buy deodorant from the Dollar Tree, only because the deodorant that they have is not the brand that I use, and it's also, usually, it's not a full size. It's usually a smaller size. So, anyway, I happened to see this, and it's the Secret Freshies on the Go, and it's in the scent Water Lily. But, I don't know, this caught my eye just because it's something different. It's like, it reminds me of those EOS lip balms. It's in this, like, round container. But I thought this was really cool, so I did go ahead and grab it. I thought I would probably just put it in my purse because, it's going to start warming up soon. Summer's going to be here soon. And when I become a sweaty Betty, I'll be able to just get into my purse and bring out the deodorant if I start to stink. So, anyway, I went ahead and grabbed that. I thought it was pretty cool. So, yeah, there's that. Also, while I was down the beauty section, I happened to come across this. It's the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Face Mist, and this is 1 ounce. But I did go ahead and pick this up just because, one, it's Wet n Wild, so it's a name brand. And I've never used this one. I have used some of the other, I think it's the Hard Candy Face Mist and the Hard Candy Face Primer Mist, which those are hit or miss. They're kind of good, and then they're not so great. But anyway, I've not tried the Wet n Wild yet, so I thought I'd go ahead and get this and try it, see if I liked it. Something else that I found by Wet n Wild that's new, it is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Eyeshadow Trio. And it says limited edition, and then I guess it's in the color Jade. I don't know, but this is really cool packaging. It's like a pyramid, and it's kind of like this holographic design. So I did go ahead and pick this up, and it does say Jade, which I don't know if that's just the colors or whatever that's in there, but I did go ahead and get it, and it has sort of like a pearly white, and then it looks like it looks kind of like an army green color, and then a black. But these do have glitter or sparkle in them, and I am not real big on sparkly eyeshadow because I just don't feel like it looks good on me. So, but anyway, I thought I'd get this and try it, and if I don't like it, I'll just give it to my daughter. So, anyway, grab that. The next things that I was looking for is some more of the Sally Hansen nail polish. So I hauled some Sally Hansen nail polish that I found in a little plastic container that said, what did it say? Designer polish or something like that on it. And it was full of all these Sally Hansen nail polishes. Well, I was watching Frugal J, and she hauled some of the Sally Hansen nail polishes, and she hauled this one that was a gray color. It was like a really pale, light gray. And I really, really wanted it. So I thought I would go while I was at the Dollar Tree and see if they had any. But unfortunately, my Dollar Tree didn't have any of the gray. In fact, most of those nail polishes that were in that little bin were about gone. So, but I did find these two, which I think are really pretty. And they are like spring colors. So I did go ahead and grab them. Now these are the Miracle Gel nail polishes by Sally Hansen. It says no light is needed. And this blue one is in the color B Girl, which it's the letter B and then the word girl right after. So that's the color of it. And it's sort of like this pastel teal color, which I think is really, really pretty. And then this other one is in the color Bourbon Belle. I don't know if you all can see that or not, but Bourbon Belle, and it's sort of like a, I don't know, like a pastel peach color. So I think that's really pretty. It's going to look really pretty, I think, on my toenails. Okay, so the last two things that I have. Now, this is a brand I have never seen at my Dollar Tree, so I think it's new. But it is the brand Sophie. And I picked these up. They are the claw clips. You get 15. And these are like the miniature claw clips, the real tiny ones. I think these were really popular back in the 90s. I remember wearing these in my hair, and I remember putting them in my daughter's hair when she was little. But, so anyway, I grabbed these. They are just the tortoise shell color and then black. They didn't have any other colors, just those. So I did go ahead and grab that one pack. And then they also had these by Sophie. It's the poly bands. You get 300 in here. And they are black and clear. I have some of these that I purchased from Dollar Tree that are a different brand. I think they are the, I don't know, the Dollar Tree brand, whatever that one is. But they're teeny, teeny, tiny. And so they're always breaking on me. So when I go to stretch them out to put them around my hair, they break. So these, though, these are a little bit bigger in size. I don't know if you guys can tell, but they seem to be a little bit bigger. And another nice thing is that these come in at this package. This package is like one of those zipper sealed plastic packages. So that way you can kind of keep them all together and you don't lose them, because I'm all the time losing mine. But I'm noticing here on the back it says eye candy accessories. So I don't know. This is new to my store, so I don't know if this is like in all the Dollar Trees everywhere, or if it's just new to me. I don't know. But anyway, went ahead and grabbed those. Okay, so yeah, I think that is it. That is the end of my haul, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, because that helps me get noticed on Facebook. Subscribe if you haven't yet. I would love to have you. Leave me a comment down below, because I like talking to you guys. I hope that you all are having a wonderful day. I wanted to thank you all for watching, and I'll talk to you all later.